रॉबर्ट ब्रूस फूट हु डिस्कवर्ड द फर्स्ट पैलियोलिथिक टूल इन इंडिया वाज एन। इसका आंसर है जियोलॉजिस्ट और आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट दोनों। सेकंड, द 3A सिस्टम डिवाइडेड इनटू स्टोन, ब्रॉन्ज एंड आयरन फ्रॉम द कलेक्शन ऑफ कोपेनहेगन म्यूजियम वाज कॉइन्ड बाय। आंसर है इसका थॉमसन। थर्ड, अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्सकवेटेड एविडेंस द डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल बिगेन इन। इसका आंसर है मेसोलिथिक पीरियड। फोर्थ, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग साइट्स प्रोवाइड एविडेंस ऑफ डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल इन द मेसोलिथिक पीरियड। इसका आंसर है बेगोर। Fifth, in Mesolithic context, evidence of animal domestication has been found at। आंसर है इसका आदमगढ़। Sixth, from which one of the following sites bone implements have been found। इसका आंसर है मादा और सराई नाहर राय। Seven, bone ornament in the Mesolithic context in India have been obtained from। इसका आंसर है सराई नाहर राय और मादहा। 8, 3 human skeletons in a single grave were recovered at। आंसर इसका है दमदमा। 9, the cultivation of cereals first started in। इसका आंसर है Neolithic age। 10th, during the Neolithic age the earliest evidence of the origin of agriculture has been found at which of the following places in the northwest region of Indian subcontinent। इसका आंसर है मेहरगढ़। 11, the earliest evidence of man in India is found in। आंसर है नर्मदा वैली। 12, the first cereal used by man was। इसका आंसर है बार्ले। 13, the earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent come from। आंसर है लाहुरा देवा। 14, with reference to the cultural heritage of Uttar Pradesh, which of the following statement is or are correct? First, the oldest evidence of agriculture in the global context has been obtained from many excavated sites in this region. Second, the oldest cultivated food grains are barley and paddy। इसका आंसर है only A। The oldest evidence of agriculture in the global context has been obtained from many excavated sites in this region। यही खाली करेक्ट है। 15, the name of the site which has revealed the earliest evidence of settled life। इसका आंसर है मेहरगढ़। 16, the earliest evidence of agriculture in the Indian subcontinent has been obtained from। इसका आंसर है मेहरगढ़। 17, the earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent is found at। 17, the earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent is found। आंसर है मेहरगढ़। 18, which one of the following periods is also known as Chalcolithic age। इसका आंसर है कॉपर एज। 19, the cultural remains from Stone Age to Harappan civilization has been obtained from which one of the following ancient sites। आंसर है मेहरगढ़। 20th, excavation at Navta Toli was conducted by। आंसर है SD सांकालिया। 21, in which state the Navta Toli is located। आंसर है इसका मध्य प्रदेश। 22, in which state of India is the Harappan civilization sites Mandi situated। आंसर है इसका उत्तर प्रदेश। 23rd, consider the following statement pertaining to the Ahar civilization। A, the native of Ahar knew copper smelting। B, rice was known to them। C, the metal work was one of the means of economy of the Ahar। D, black red colored pottery have been found here on which generally white colored geometrical design have been carved। Choose the correct option। इसमें आंसर है A, C and D are correct। The native of Ahar knew copper smelting, metal work was one of the means of economy of the Ahar, and D, black red colored pottery have been found here on which generally white colored geometrical designs have been carved। 24th, megaliths have been identified as। आंसर है इसका burial sites। 25th, ash mound is associated with the Neolithic site at। इसका आंसर है संगना कालू। 26, भीमबेटका is famous for। आंसर इसका है rock painting। 27, in India from which rock shelter picture have been found the most। आंसर इसका है भीमबेटका। 28, which one of the following places is famous for prehistoric paintings। आंसर है भीमबेटका। 29, where are the caves of भीमबेटका situated। आंसर इसका है अब्दुल्लागंज रायसेन। 30th, which of the following Indian archaeologists first visited Bhimbetka caves and discovered prehistoric significance of its rock paintings। इसका आंसर है V.S. वाकांकर। 31st, Bhimbetka was discovered by। आंसर इसका है डॉक्टर विश्वंदर वाकांकर। 32, the ochre colored pottery OCP was christened at। आंसर इसका है हस्तिनापुर। 33, in the Chalcolithic period people of Maharashtra buried their dead under the floor of their house in the following orientation। इसका आंसर है नॉर्थ साउथ पोजीशन। 34th, which of the following sites has yielded skeleton of the dog along with human skeleton in burial। आंसर है बुर्जा होम। 35, the evidence of burying the dog with human body is found from which of the following places। आंसर इसका है बुर्जा होम। 36 द एविडेंस ऑफ पिट ड्वेलिंग हैज बीन ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम। आंसर इसका है बुर्जा होम। 37 कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस और वेल नोन फॉर। फर्स्ट बुर्जा होम, उसके सामने है रॉक कट श्राइन। सेकंड चंद्रा केटूगढ़, इसके सामने है टेराकोटा आर्ट। थर्ड गानेश्वर कॉपर आर्टिफैक्ट्स। विच ऑफ द पेयर्स गिवन अबव इज आर करेक्टली मैच्ड। इसका आंसर है 2 and 3। चंद्रा केटूगढ़ टेराकोटा आर्ट्स और गानेश्वर के सामने मिलता है कॉपर आर्टिफैक्ट्स। 38 फ्रॉम विच रॉक शेल्टर्स ऑफ विंध्यास अ मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ ह्यूमन स्केलेटन हैव बीन फाउंड। आंसर इसका है लेखैया। 39 given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and other as reason R. Assertion A: the Stone Age people of the Vindhyas migrated to the Ganga Valley in terminal Pleistocene period. Reason R: due to climatic change, it was dry phase in this period. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. तो आंसर इसका है A. Both A and R true. R is the correct explanation of A. 40 which of these departments or ministries deal with archaeological survey of India as an accessory office. आंसर इसका है कल्चर। 41 where is National Human Museum situated. आंसर इसका है